Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for personal use. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, on all cases, you will be needing to have like a premium plan or a subscription for your Slack. So you can get it or you can start using each time like just the free trial of Slack. So you can simply do it or get it from go or by going to the slack.com website. From there, you will be needing to simply create a new working space. And you can use your email or your normal email, not necessarily to have like an email or working address or working email address. So basically, you will be needing just continue with Google, or you will need just to add your enterprise email to whatever you would like, and then they will take you to the page where you can be able to start creating a new working space. So I'm just going to click on working space, and basically you will be needing just to add your working email, and then they will ask you like to add a name of this working space, and in my case I'm just naming this one as tutorial, and you can name it whatever you would like, and after that you will be able to, or you will be redirected to such a view. So you will be having like these channels. You can start creating new channels whenever you would like. So you can go to create channel, and from here you can start creating channel. Already you will find like many uh, channels or mini templates of channels that you can start adding. And basically, you can just go with a blank channel, and from here you can name it whatever you'd like. So, for example, just like make it a tasks channel or a project scope channel or whatever. And for each channel, it would have like some features that you can use. For example, canvases, lists that can be such a task list or a to-do list, for example. You can create whatever you'd like for the list, and you can also have workflows like small automations and stuff. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.